Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be unboxing Pixel Buds Pro Charcoal Edition. I was lucky enough to get credit when purchasing the Pixel 7 Pro. If you missed that unboxing, I will link that video down below. This is going to be a great addition to the Pixel 7 Pro. Okay, scalpel. Oh. There we are. It's a nice little box. Same quality as the phone. Pixel Buds Pro with active noise cancelling. These have wireless charging case, which I saw that you can even use the phone to charge the case. Again, we have these nice little pull tabs. Nice. We have a little tab here to pull it out. Nice. Ooh, it feels a lot more solid than I thought. I've had cheap earbuds before. It feels quite solid and nice. I like the shape. They'd fit in your pocket nicely and wouldn't be too bulgy. It's like the shape's nice. Pull this out. It's a very nice texture. I like the feeling of that. Put that to the side and have a quick look in here. It's all cardboard. What do we have here? Ooh, some different size earbuds. That's a very nice little paper tube for the earbuds. Okay, it seems like there's two sets of different size earbuds. Yep. And we got the best fit as well here. Find the best fit instruction manual. So the case, first impressions, really nice. There's USB-C charging on the bottom. And it does have wireless charging. Okay. Oh, that felt really nice. It's already flashing when I opened it, so I must be trying to pair. Let's do that again. Oh, it's a nice snap. Must be magnetic. That's satisfying. Let's get right in. Nice. That's an interesting shape. I haven't seen that before. So I think the color changes is only that end bit. Have a nice weight to them. I'm excited to go try these out. Nice. And there we have it. The Pixel Buds Pro Charcoal Edition. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll see you next time.